Morning Star. And a warm welcome to the strange world of the scruffy trader, where I try and make trading easy, maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, hit that little subscribe button, genuinely helps, and we'll crack on. So what are we cracking on with today? Well, I'm back from having a week off. Had a wonderful week away, and talking of things, thank you, my love. It's very early in the morning, that's why she's dressed in a dressing gown, because it's currently just touching on 6:30. Get myself another coffee, had a good look round, and as I was saying, we are continuing Morning Star. Now, I took a week off to go to a health spa and just have a bit of a jolly.
Matron, take them away.
And wonderful time was had. But got to come back to reality. And that's what I'm going to do now. So what is Morning Star and why am I doing it? Well, Morning Star is to do 1-2 trades before you go to work from a single setup. And the idea is to get around 10 pips and build it up into a nest egg. Now, I did it with the DAX, and that's what paid for the little trip we had. And I'm going to build this up, and I'm going to have another trip. Why not? You know, life's for living. So that's the general gist of what we're doing. So let me flick the screens over, and we'll have a look. So we now 14th, lovely break, and we're up to 36265, 10% off, and we're currently going to be doing 53p. Okay, so that's where we're up to. All right, because the other part of it is we're going to be edging the bids up ever so slightly, but not going too mad. Okay, now every time I get 10 pip in a day, I'm able to edge up. Now, before I had my break, this was the last day, we did 16 pips, so that's why we're moving it up to 53 this morning. Okay, and what are we looking at? Well, it's this morning the best contender is cable. Now I'm only doing this with 2 markets, which is euro dollar and pound dollar. And what I would suggest is look at them both, but pick the best of the 2 and then stick with it. Okay. So what we can see is a super down move, but it seems to have found levels down here and here, and it's bouncing along here quite nicely. So I'm going to drop this down onto a 5-minute chart so we can kind of see the makeup a little bit stronger. And now as we zoom in, you can see the downtrend is still there. Boom, boom, boom. However, look at all the greens coming in. That's telling me there's a move to the upper side. So what I want to see is I want to see it come back on itself slightly and then move up. So I think we've got an opportunity to get 10 pips between this level and this level. Okay, so this is a vlog of results really, rather than strategy and all of that sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let the camera run, and you'll see the order come in. Grab 10 pips or so. The more you get, the better, but I aim for around 10 pips. Now if I do it with 5 and 5 or 5 and 10, Who knows? Because I will also stick to score, stop. Because I don't want to outstay my welcome. And especially with the account being small, I need to protect it. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Okay, guys, I've killed it off. For why? 2 reasons. It's coming on to 5 to 8 in the morning, and the open's coming. It has a good chance to slam backwards on itself, and it's also stalling on this level. Okay, so that's kind of the reason behind why that I've killed it. What have we done? 388. Now it could be better because I killed it a little early here. I just scaled off. And I'll tell you for why while I'm filling the sheet in. It's very, very simple. I need to protect the account. And it's as simple as that. So it's 388 off that position. Okay. And we've only done 7 pips. All right, I'm not. It could be better. It should be better. But I'd rather be safe than sorry at this moment in time. So I'll still be at 53 tomorrow. But all I'm interested in is slow growth to get this up. Now, when I'm able to split the trades, and I will be able to sort of as we go forward, it'll make life easier for me. But at this moment in time, all I'm interested in is just doing the process and protecting the account. So I hope that makes sense. And I'll do it again tomorrow. So that's it. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, and above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.